This will be a short video of the Bafang BBs02 motor after 1,000 kilometers. We will take a look at the amount of grease that's still in the motor from the factory, and we will be installing some additional products just to make things run a little bit smoother. The Lekkie products arrive ordered from New Zealand. They include the drive cover and the bling ring. The drive cover has an oil or a grease spout that will be very useful in the future. Needed items include a mini grease gun, the Loctite 243, a new chain, and the Mobile 28 grease. Like others have reported, the stock Bafang cranks do bend under pressure, so I had replaced those with the Lekkie buzz bars. They work great. And they don't need a crank puller to remove. The disassembly is pretty straightforward. After the removal of the cover, there's not a lot of grease on these gears. Using the mini grease gun and the mobile grease, let's go ahead and put some grease in the gears. The new cover with the gasket should provide better protection to the motor. It's best to put the screws through the cover into the gasket before putting it onto the motor. The new cover is now on the motor. Be careful not to tighten it too tight, just a quarter turn when it's snug on each screw should be sufficient. The new cover has a grease port. Using the mini grease gun, it's easy to do a squirt or two of grease into that motor. Reinstall the buzz bar and add the chain, and the project is complete and everything is running smoothly.